Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, we will create actions. So inside post folder, I'll create a new file and name it as actions.js, hit enter. And here I'll do RAFCE and press tab, okay? So A should be capital, so I'll do that, okay? And here we need use state, we need use context from React, okay? Then what else we need? We need prop type. So import prop types from prop types. Okay. Then we need a Firebase context. So Firebase from dot slash context slash Firebase. Okay. Then we also need to import user context. So user context. Sorry, U should be capital. So user context from dot slash context slash user. Okay, and here we are going to restructure the props which we'll get from the index. So this is doc id. Okay, so here it is doc id. So this we need, and then we also need total likes. So we need total likes which we don't have, but we can build that just by getting the likes dot length. Okay, then we need likes liked photo. Okay, so liked photo. So liked photo, we need to show the heart. When click, it will turn red, which indicates the user liked the photo. Okay, then we need a function called handle focus. So handle focus will be used to click on the comment svg that will take you to the input field. Okay, so these are the props which we required. Then we need the user. So I'll say const. This we already did. Okay, so const user, that is going to be user id equals to empty string equals to use context user context. Okay, let me save this. Now we required a use state, so I'll say ush press tab. So this we are going to use for toggling the like button. So I'll say toggle liked. Okay, and initially I'll take from the props which is to liked photo. Okay, so from here we can get it. So initially whatever the state, it will be like true. If it is true, so it will be in red. If it is false, so it will be a white heart. Okay, so this is for toggling the like a heart. Okay, so this one we have completed. Then we also need for likes. Okay, so ush, and this will be likes, not total likes. Okay, and initially it will be total likes. Okay, this will indicate how many users have liked the photo. Let me save this. Then we need Firebase and Firestore. So Firebase and field value. Okay, so field value equals to use context Firebase context. Okay, let's save this. Now here before the return, I'll create a function. So const handle toggle liked, that is equal to async. Okay, this will be an async function. So here I'll say set toggle light. Okay, and here we can take toggle light, and this will, here we can just say not toggle light. Okay, so this is toggle light. Okay, we have already created this state. So what will happen is, if initially if it is true, then if clicked on the heart, it will become false. Okay, so basically this will toggle the heart. This will toggle the heart SVG with red and white color. Okay, so let me save this, and then we could create a function like a service to call the Firebase. So let's do that. So here I'll say await Firebase dot Firestore dot collection of photo dot doc, and here we are going to pass the doc ID dot update likes, and this will be like if toggle, this is the variable toggle liked. If this is true, then what we are going to show is field value dot array remove, and we are going to pass the user ID. Okay, and if this is not true, if the condition is not true, then what are we going to say is field value dot array union user ID. Okay, so user ID. Okay, let's save this. So basically, okay, the f should be small. Okay, Firebase. So basically, if the toggle liked is true, then we are going to use the field value dot array remove, and we are going to pass the user ID. And if it is false, then we are going to use field value dot array union user ID. Okay. So basically, we are going to remove the likes, and we are going to add the likes. So here I'm going to say set likes, and here we need to pass the likes, and I'll take an arrow function, and here we could say toggle like, and if this is true, then we can say likes -1, and if the condition is false, then likes +1. Okay, let me just save this. So this is done. Now we can just add the prop types. So here I'll say actions dot prop types equals to, we have doc ID as a prop. Okay, which is going to be a string. So prop types dot string dot is required. Okay, then we have total likes, that is going to be prop type dot number dot is required. Then we have liked photo, that is going to be prop types dot boolean. So bool dot is required. Then we have a function called handle focus, that is going to be prop types dot func dot is required. Let me just save this. So we have completed this much, and we will continue working on the action.js file in the next video. So basically in the next video, we will create the UI, which will show the heart and the comment icons. So this is it for this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.